We've all heard that exercise is good for you. But did you know that just 30 minutes of running every day for a month can completely transform your body? It's true. Running has so many benefits. It strengthens your heart, lungs, and muscles, burns calories, reduces stress, boosts endorphins, and improves your overall health and well-being. In this post, I'll walk you through how committing to a daily 30-minute run for 30 days can lead to some pretty amazing changes in your physique, fitness, and overall health. I'll also share some tips on how to stick with your new running habit so you reap all the rewards. Let's get started. Day 1. Sore muscles. If you're not used to running regularly, that first 30-minute jog might leave you feeling a little sore, especially in your leg muscles. This is totally normal as your body adjusts to the new stress of exercise. Don't let the muscle soreness deter you. It's just a sign that your workout was effective. Make sure to do some light stretching after your run to help prevent excessive stiffness. Foam rolling and using a massage gun on sore areas can also provide relief. Staying hydrated and getting enough protein will help your muscles recover. Day 3. Improved mood. Once you push past that initial soreness, you'll probably start to notice an improvement in your energy levels and mood. Running releases endorphins, chemicals that make you feel happier and more relaxed. Studies show that regular moderate exercise can even reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. You might find yourself feeling more positive and productive during the day after a morning run. Take advantage of this mood boost and tackle your to-do list with gusto. The mental benefits you get from running will help motivate you to keep lacing up your sneakers daily. Day 5. Better sleep. Within the first week of daily running, you can expect your sleep quality to improve too. There are a few reasons running helps you sleep better. It tires out your body so you fall asleep faster. It reduces stress and anxiety that can interfere with sleep. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm so you sleep and wake at the right times. Aim to finish your runs at least 3 hours before bedtime so your body has time to cool down and relax. The better sleep you get, the more energy you'll have for your next workout. Day 7. Increased endurance. After sticking with your 30-minute runs for a week straight, you'll notice your endurance steadily improving. Running daily trains your cardiovascular system to work more efficiently. As your heart and lungs grow stronger, you'll find you can run farther and faster with less effort. To build your endurance, add 1 minute to your running time every 2 days. So day 7 aim for 31 minutes, on day 9 shoot for 32 minutes, etc. Keep gradually increasing the time to continue challenging yourself. The fitter your heart and lungs, the longer you'll be able to run. Day 10. Changes in body composition. Around the 2-week mark is when you may start noticing changes in your body's composition. Your muscles will become leaner and more toned from all the running. You could drop some body fat as you burn more calories through your new exercise routine. While the scale might not budge much, you may find your clothes fitting better and your body just looking and feeling firmer and fitter. More muscle equals a more sculpted, athletic physique, so don't worry if the numbers on the scale don't change. Focus on how great your body feels. Day 14. Speed increases. As you adapt to running further distances, you'll also notice your pace quickening. You'll find yourself able to run a mile significantly faster than you did when you first started this running program. This is because your muscles have become stronger and your cardio endurance has improved. To help boost your speed even more, add some short sprints into the mix. Try picking up the pace for 30 seconds and then recovering for a minute with slower running. Repeat this 5 to 10 times during your route. Quick interval training builds power and speed. Day 17. Cravings change. 3 weeks in, you may realize your food cravings start to change too. You begin desiring healthier, more nutritious foods over junk food. Why? Daily exercise regulates hormones like ghrelin and leptin to suppress appetite and control hunger cues. When running, always eat a balanced meal 2 to 3 hours beforehand for fuel. Refuel within 30 minutes after your run to help your body recover. Nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, whole grains, veggies and fruits will boost your runs and support optimal health. Day 20. Confidence boost. By this point in your 30-day running program, the physical and mental benefits combine to make you feel like a whole new, and improved, person. With each run, your fitness improves and your belief in yourself continues to grow. This inevitably boosts your confidence levels. Anxiety and self-doubt diminish when you feel good about your body and abilities. Daily accomplishing your running goal will make you feel proud, strong, and confident. Let your newfound confidence spill over into all other areas of your life. You did this. Day 25. Addicted to running. Don't be surprised if by day 25, you're totally hooked on running and the way it makes you feel. You crave your daily runs not just for the health perks but also the mood boost, sense of clarity, and feeling of empowerment running delivers. The runner's high becomes your new addiction. If rest days seem boring, cross-train on those days with other heart-pumping workouts like biking, cardio classes, or swimming. This prevents burnout while still satisfying your need for exercise endorphins. Running should energize you, not drain you. Day 30. Body transformed. Can you believe it's already been a month since you started this running challenge? Give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. After sticking with 30 minutes of running daily for 30 days straight, your body has transformed in some incredible ways. Your cardio endurance has skyrocketed. You feel lighter and leaner. Your legs and butt look muscular and toned. Your mood, confidence, and energy levels are through the roof. You feel focused, motivated, and empowered to keep crushing your goals. Consistency is what allowed such amazing changes to happen in such a short period of time. Keep up your running habit to continue reaping the rewards. You truly can transform your body with just 30 minutes of running per day. So that was a recap of how committing to 30 minutes of running daily for a month can completely transform your body and health. What changes did you notice from your 30 days of running? Let me know in the comments.